A large corporation with monopolistic control in the marketplace has its average daily costs in dollars given by, and we have a daily demand function, which is a demand price. Maximize the profit. Okay, so we want a profit function, but what we've got is average cost and price. So we have some work to do here. I want to get to profit. Before I can do profit, I'd have to have revenue take away cost. So let's start with revenue. That's price times units. So I would need price and units. Okay. Price is known. It's 450,000 minus 100x. And units is my x. Okay. Then I also need cost. And I don't have a cost function. What I have is an average cost function. So total cost is average cost times by units, which means I need average cost. That's what I have a formula for. It's 500 over x plus 200x plus x squared. And then that's built on units. Okay, so now I have everything that I need. So I can start with, it's kind of a big number, 450,000, and we got hundreds in here. So I'll go 100, 200. Actually, let me do 50, 100, 150. Do that down a ways. We can always add more data. And then 500 over x plus 200 times, get the x value. And I can't see the rest of that. Let's see. 200 over x plus x squared. $500 over x, 200 times x plus x squared. Okay. Cost, average cost times by the units. Price, 450,000 minus 100 times the units. Revenue, get the price, times by, get the units. Finally, profit is revenue, take away cost. Copy those down. Look at my profit. Looks like it went up to 80,000. Now it's going back down. So it looks like there is a maximum somewhere around in here. Let me just take, these are all negative profits. So I'm just going to get rid of all of these. And use this last row as my solver row. So I'm on row 13. I want to find the maximum of the profit by changing corresponding number of units, no constraints. 300 was the maximum. Okay, now this has 299.9999. That's Excel to within its error that it can do. So I'm going to override this and say 300, and then that should make all of these update. Okay. Now, number of units was 300. What was the maximum profit? It's that 80 million number. What selling price should be set? Okay, which one of these was price? D. Selling price looks like 420,000.